Hey, my name is Vikas and I have been a language trainer and a speaking instructor for last over 7 years. This video, I'm going to let you know in 3 days of workshop, I'm going to teach you how to impact your audience, how to crack an interviews, as well as how to give your best presentation when you are among of your friends. तो इस 3 मिनट की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं हम 3 डेज की वर्कशॉप में किस तरह से अपने इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने वाले हैं। हम इस वीडियो के थ्रू आप तक वो मैसेज देना चाहते हैं जिससे हर स्टूडेंट गुजर रहा है। 3 डेज लाइव वर्कशॉप एंड 10 रिकॉर्डेड लेसन के साथ मैं विकास राजपूत आपको बताने वाला हूं कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को किस तरीके से डेवलप किया जाता है, कैसे अपने हर वो प्रभाव को लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाता है। अगर आपको नहीं आइडिया है कि how to speak frequently English, how to become fluent, how to crack in interviews, how to attend or give a public seminars, or you have no idea how to start a conversation with people. If you are a public speaker, you are a student, you are a coach, you are a consultant, you are a job seeker, you are looking for a job, and English is becoming a barrier of your life. So this side is Vikas Rajput. I'm going to help you out in 3 days of workshop live that how we have to speak fluently or how we can improve our communication skills. Many of you, I have gone through with my Facebook profile and Instagram profile. A lot of people ask me in a comment box, sir, how can I become a fluent like you? So guys, you can become, but you have to go through with some seminars. Before starting this video, you have to click on this link, which is going to help you up to sign up in your career. It's not for English speaking, it's a sign up for your career. So in this video, I'm going to tell you out how we are going to conduct the 3 days of live workshop. You're going to learn how to write an email. You're going to learn how to speak English fluently. You're going to learn how to impact your audience. You're going to learn how we have to crack in interviews. इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आप सीखने वाले किस तरह से हम अपनी लैंग्वेज पे पकड़ बना के बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज को ग्रैब कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अगर आप ये कोर्स लॉगिन करना चाहते हैं, नीचे दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए, तुरंत आज ही अपनी सीट रिजर्व करा लीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।